Hello and welcome to Let's Wander. In this video, we are going to take you to Sirnapalli Waterfalls. Let's begin our journey. We started around 8 am in the morning from Motinagar at Hyderabad. Sirnapalli Waterfalls is around 160 kilometers with a travel time of 4 hours from Hyderabad. We took a road to Kompalli via Balanagar, Boyenpalli and Suchitra. This is the newly constructed Babu Jagjivan Ram 6-lane highway bridge connecting Narsapur Crossroads and Balanagar. The bridge has brought great sigh of relief for commuters as the vehicles used to stop a minimum of 10 minutes at this junction. Our companion today is Pratima and Praveen. For quite some time, Praveen and I were discussing a plan to visit a weekend spot close to Hyderabad. We have shortlisted two places, Sirnapalli Waterfalls and Samudra Lingapur Waterfalls. They fall on the same route and are close to 150 kilometers from Hyderabad. There was some traffic from Suchitra to Medchal. This has increased our travel time by 1 hour. Crossing Kompalli and Medchal, we reached Manoharabad Toll Plaza. The Nizamabad Highway road is well maintained. Especially after the separation of Telangana, lots of development took place in this area. The government has done a great job in maintaining the greenery on these roads. Lots of trees are planted on both sides of the road. The forests are preserved and well maintained. For a stretch of 2 hours, there is plenty of greenery giving pleasant view to the eyes. Mission Bhagiratha is yet another major achievement of Telangana government in this area. With wonderful climate and joyful company of Pratima and Praveen, our journey felt real short. Moreover, it was an amazing weather that day. The blue sky was covered with clouds, giving hints of rain. We felt like in no time we reached Gannaram village. Couple of times our vehicle passed through narrow roads of the colonies and open fields in Gannaram. We then went past lush green paddy fields, beautiful rocky hills and green forest before reaching Sirnapalli village. On entering Sirnapalli village, this slogan on the welcome board caught our attention. The slogan was, "Every village has a past, but Sirnapalli has a history." We parked our vehicle and walked around 1 kilometer barefoot on a muddy road. The place has a beautiful warm aura. Look at this wonderful banyan tree. It immediately drags your attention. We then walked down the stairs towards the waterfalls. Our guide Praveen welcomed us and shown the way to the falls. Here comes the waterfall for you. There were not many people when we reached, but as the day progressed, the crowd began to grow. When you plan to visit Sirnapalli, I would suggest you to plan during the weekdays because the place is not big enough to hold a large crowd. Tulsi, Praveen and I dived into the pool and had some fun swimming while Pratima enjoyed watching. We then went into the waterfalls and had a great aqua massage on our back. Of course, keeping the neck away as that would result in cervical spondylitis. This waterfall is not actually a real waterfall. This is a drench created by the overflowing water of a lake over the wall. Every rainy season, the lake fills with rainwater and the water overflows down the check dam and looks like a natural waterfall. The check dam is around 45 feet tall and 100 meter long. We spent a couple of hours under the waterfall and went up to explore the lake. It is a beautiful lake surrounded by lush green trees and a hill. The lake is known as Janakamma Cheruvu. The lake was built by Zamindar Janakamma during the pre-independence era 150 years ago. This location has become very famous in Telangana for the past few years. We then came across these brave local boys swimming in the lake. They were having great fun in a friendly swimming competition, as you can see on screen. Later, they participated in some daredevil dives into the lake. Hats off to these brave boys from Sirnapalli. We enjoyed watching you, and hopefully our viewers will also enjoy you. On our way back, we enjoyed our meal at this scenic paddy field under the shadow of a neem tree at this small temple here on the outskirts of the village. We spent some time here at this beautiful place and then headed back to Hyderabad amidst heavy rainfall. Luckily, we have entered the highway before the rain started. It was an added boon to our trip. We slowly drove back home safe. That's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Let's wander.